Welcome to yet another giveaway with the Waffles fam. But first we need to make our announcement for who's winning our current giveaway, which is a $200 gift card to wherever fishing or travel place you would like. I am swinging around too much. Okay, so we got 1, 3, and 2 to see how many numbers I'm going to be drawing. Okay. I haven't done 1 in a while. Thank God it's not 3 again. I think it's been 3 2 times in a row now. I'm having too much fun with the swing. Okay. All right. So we're literally only drawing the first one. So this is literally coming down to the first video released in July, which I think was the one right before the giveaway. All right. Here we go. Comment number 5. Bobby, you son of a bitch. He's already won once before, but Bobby Hefner is our winner for the month. Reach out to us, Bobby, at thewafflesfam@gmail, or you can message us on Facebook, and we will get that gift card sent over to you. Let us know where you'd like to get that to, and congratulations. So just a reminder, to enter our giveaways, you have to be subscribed to the channel to qualify. We announced at the end of, what is it going to be this time? October? It'll be all, yeah, so it'll be the beginning of November. We're going to announce our next giveaway. We actually would love to hear from you guys what you'd like us to give away for the next giveaway. The current one we just started on the 1st of September. It's basically a catch, clean, cook set. So we're going to have this really sick cleaning knife. It looks like this. We're going to have a super sick cutting board. It looks like this. And we're going to include our favorite bass lures that look like this. So that's what we're going to be giving away. So you have to be subscribed to the channel to qualify, and comment fish on to any and all videos released from the beginning of September until the end of October. Every time you do, it gets you an entry into the giveaway. And to get extra entries, you can actually do this special timestamp. You can do this special timestamp with us where you message us. We do a pinned comment on every video, and you message us on Facebook or Instagram at the Waffles fam to get 10 extra entries on your fish on comment for whatever item you're looking for in that video. Anyways, well guys, I'm gonna get back to my trip. We are headed to a special park today. I will see you guys later.